आप सबका यहाँ आने के लिए धन्यवाद। बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि आपने कम से कम ये तो मुहिम की कि दिल्ली आके इस वर्कशॉप को अटेंड करें और समझें कि ये सेक्टर कहाँ है, कहाँ जाना चाहिए, और उसके ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि ये सेक्टर में आपने कैसे पहल करनी है। हाउ डू यू वांट टू एंटर दिस सेक्टर इन टर्म्स ऑफ एस्टैब्लिशिंग योर ओन प्लांट, what do you need to know in terms of policy advocacy, in terms of requirement of funding, money, capex, opex, process, timelines, what are the challenges you will face, whether in the upstream or in terms of manufacturing, contacting OEMs or interacting with banks. So I think that is the outlook which we thought that this is the most low-hanging fruit, if I may say, in bioenergy spectrum, where you can convert biomass into densified form. There is no rocket science, it's a simple process, but it is the most challenging process in the upstream. So is the case with any other bioenergy project. I actually requested Amritji to organize this. We wanted to do this last year as well in some other platform, but I thought that didn't play up, but this time it played up. I think 90 people have registered online showing interest in this session. And I think there are more who have contacted Amritji's team directly as well. Investment is very low in this industry, in the sense both sides. Firstly, for a project you require very low capex, but also in the industry the money coming in is not very easy. If you go to banks, go to institutions, educated people, knowing their ways, knowing the policy, maybe you can reach some door. But people who largely need the finance in the upstream, and if you're building up your own briquetting plant or pelleting plant and you want to do the upstream yourself in terms of aggregation, there are challenges which you will face because various ministries, various CFAs, various schemes, how to get the drawdown, how to apply, what are the nitty-gritties involved, you will never know. The demand-wise, this sector is blooming. ESG norms, you understand? ESG, very critical. अगर आप कोई स्टार्टअप की मुहिम कर रहे हैं तो उस नॉर्म्स के तरफ से भी देखिए वो प्लांट में क्या क्या है क्या नहीं है, डिस्कस करिए. एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट वॉट एवर इज बीइंग कवर्ड टुडे विल बी वेरी वेल कवर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोसेस, टाइमलाइंस, पॉलिसी एडवोकेसी, एवरीथिंग एल्स. आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम अ स्टैंड पॉइंट दैट I see a lot of things, lot of committees, lot of things happening. If the due diligence goes and audit goes into your plants, whether you put IoT, whether you put cameras, whether you see the financials of a company to see where the sales have happened, you will get the quantities right there itself in terms of GST filing. So I think these are the things in due diligence which the government will come up to check your plants in case you are taking any scheme benefits or a CFA benefit. Right? Also make SOPs. This is my forte. Unless you put the process into SOP, it doesn't get institutionalized. Thank you, Amrit, and your team for organizing this. And when you go after this workshop, don't stop. If you are educated, you can communicate at grassroots to the next villager. Also tell them to start doing it. And if you don't do densification, do aggregation. Do something about this industry because this needs a broader base to grow in terms of our bioenergy ambitions of this country. So thank you very much. Jai Hind.